So we have Hari sir with us today, and sir, what was the experience about BMP? And you visited all the stalls. Which you felt was the best one, sir?
I think each one beats the other in every aspect. The 30 stalls that are there, they are serving awesome food and they are selling very, very high quality items. And one of the best feature of this BMP is the engagement of each and every student of the PGDM first year batch. The way they have expressed themselves in the way they put up the stall, the displays, and the way they have marketed the products. Beyond that marketing, there has been a tremendous quality of food that they have prepared, whether it is innovative Maggi with cheese, or whether it is cheese paratha, or whether it is those pani puris. Everything was out of the world.
So you had a well experience in this, sir?
Yeah. So another good thing is there has been a tremendous participation from the staff also. Everybody, all the faculty members came and helped them in terms of arranging the display and everything. So they have done an awesome job of putting up the stalls and doing a fantastic business.
Thank you so much, sir.
All the best.
Sandeep sir and family over here. Let's ask Saksham his.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, यहाँ पर बहुत सारे स्टॉल्स एंजॉय किए, मस्त खाना खाया, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू.
क्या क्या खाया आपने?
गार्लिक ब्रेड, आइसक्रीम्स, मैशमेलोस.
क्या अच्छा लगा?
मुझे मैशमेलोस विद चॉकलेट मिल्क.
Thank you. We have Mohan sir with us today, and let's ask for his experience. Sir, can you please share your experience?
Okay, my experience has been really good. Now if you look at me, I've eaten and I'm sitting like this, lazy now. All the stuffs I've eaten and made me lazy, but otherwise most of the students have been very enterprising. The way and enthusiasm with which they are running their business, awesome. And I wish all of them, make profits. Okay, and wish all of these enterprising stars a good luck.
Thank you so much, sir. So we have Pallavi ma'am with us today. Ma'am, can you please tell about your experience? And I guess this is the first time you're coming for BMP program. Yes, ma'am. Please tell.
So yes, this is my first time experience here, and I think the students are doing a fabulous job. I've been to all the stalls, almost all of the stalls, and I must say everybody is amazing with what they're doing. So if you've not tried these sandwiches, please do try them. They are really, really amazing. I bought nail paints. In fact, some of them sold me things which I probably wouldn't be using, but I think because of their amazing skills that they have, I bought quite a lot of things. The best thing that I liked here was these vadas. I mean, these dahi bhallas. They are just amazing. I had these, and anybody who's watching this right now, you must come here and have this. This is amazing, and you wouldn't believe these girls have made these in their hostel rooms.
Okay, that's
so
great.
we complain and crib about not being able to cook, but they're amazing. They're doing a wonderful job. And these dosas, mind-blowing dosas. I did not have space in my stomach, but when I had those, I loved them. They're too good. Apart from that, the way they are engaging everybody, it's like too good. They are amazing with their sales skills. They are making sure that the customers doesn't go unnoticed. So they're making sure that even if you don't want to buy something, they'll come and make sure that you visit their stall.
That's what is BMP, ma'am.
They're doing a great job. I think amazing experience that is being given to the students. I think wonderful entrepreneurial skills that they're learning through this exercise. So I must say kudos to the idea, to the overall initiative. And I think they definitely will have a lot of learning through this activity of the BMP stalls that they've put here. So all the very best to all the students from me. And I hope that every year they grow. I was getting feedback that this is better than what they were in the last year. And I'm hoping that next year it will be much grander. So I think kudos to the organizers and kudos to all the students. They've done a brilliant job out here.